Hey guys, okay, so now we are at Walmart because I am shopping for a client that needs some organization in her room as soon as possible. So I am shopping and finding a few good deals. Some yes, some no. So I'm gonna show you. So this right here, these are great. I like it for any cabinet, but especially I'm thinking kids room, crayons and pencils and all of that. So yeah, for 380 something, that was good. And this is really good if you are a starter, a beginner in organizing. So get a package like this for 4 pieces, $18. That's not bad. If you're starting and you don't know what to do, get a box and it will help you. These right here, I think these are so great if you shop in Sam's Club or Costco and you have huge big bags of or boxes, and they will fit in here for only what, 5.78. I think that's really good. It will look great in your pantry. So these right here are great dividers. But again, if you don't declutter your 150 cups, it's not gonna look great. So declutter first, and then it can look nice and pretty like this. 10 cups or less, it will look great. These are so beautiful. I love it. Some people put it in the bathroom with potpourri. I like gumbos in candy, anything colorful inside of them because they're clear, and that's the whole point, to show off what you have inside of them. In this other aisle, I'm gonna show you one thing. This one right here, I really don't like this one. You know why? Because I used it for my cereal and it was stale. Less than 2 weeks, my cereal was stale. So, but there are other ones like this one, and another big one that I use for rice and dry beans and oats. It is perfect. This one right here for a 20-pound rice. Oh yeah, that one can last because it's dry, it's clean, it's not like sticky. And the price, I mean, $10 for this. This is great. So I will suggest, if you like to cook rice, buy one of these or dry beans. So, and this is this aisle. Now, another aisle. This is the masters of organization, the home edit. So the home edit have their own selections and different types of containers. So I do find them a little bit pricey, but not so much. So they're all nice and tight and sealed, so no one can separate them because they come ready to go. You buy and you organize whatever it is that you need to organize. Now this one right here, one of my favorites for awkward spaces in the bathroom, like very deep, those old-fashioned homes. You know who I'm talking about, right? If you have a bathroom like this with deep walls, yep, these are your kind. So let me know what you guys think. Woohoo!